Hey there, welcome everyone. Thanks very much for joining me here today for another great segment of Roddos Rules, where I take good old-fashioned recipes, I flip them around, whoa, take out the bad stuff, put in the good stuff that we should be eating a lot more of every single day, so you feel well. You can lose that weight easily, you can just feel great, get out and do the stuff you want to do and enjoy life. So what have we got today? Well, as you can see in front of me here, good old favourite choc chip cookies. Everyone loves a choc chip cookie, except me. They're full of sugar, they're full of wheat, they're full of additives. So first and foremost, that's going in the sin bin. Bang that down there, and I'm going to shoot that to my brother-in-law because he loves chocolate chip cookies. Thank you very much. So what are we going to do instead of that? Well, as you can see, my ingredients board here today, choc chip cups. A great alternate to our old favourite chocolate chip cookies. As you can see, there's a few ingredients here, but it is super easy, super quick, and let's get started. Don't want to waste any time. So our trusty food processor, we're going to run through almond butter, egg, coconut sugar, vanilla extract, almond flour, baking soda, and a bit of salt. Done. Okay, let's go. So from the top, got everything all measured out. So our almond butter, going to throw that in there. We're going to pop our egg in. Give him a crack, pop him in there. Beautiful. Now we're just going to give that a quick spin just to give that go and just mix that as you go. Power on. There we go. Beautiful. As you can see, that doesn't take long at all. From the list, coconut sugar, all mixed out. Pop that in there. Now we're going to come down to our vanilla extract, and we're just going to drop a little bit of that in there as well. Don't overdo it there. Good. Give that another quick spin there. Beautiful. Oh, I can see that coming together. Our almond flour, pop that in. Good. And our half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4, another quarter. All in there, ready to go. Lid on. Mixing up nicely there. That's going great guns. Look at that, all coming together. A little bit of salt, just to taste. Finish it off there. Beautiful. Now, as you can see, that's all come together in quite a neat little. The mixture's all mixed up, and it looks an absolute treat there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take our cooking tray with all the cupcakes already laid out, and something to be mindful of, we've cooked these in the past and made these come out of the oven an absolute treat. We've eaten them while they're hot, they've all stuck to the cases, and we thought, oh no, what have we done here? Little catch, pop them in the fridge, just let them cool down, and then the little patty cakes pop off, no worries at all. So don't be worried about that. So we're going to spoon our mixture into these little patty cakes here now. Pop those in. Go through, and we don't want to go overboard here because we want to make plenty of these little cups for our chocolate, and that's the second half of the ingredient that we're going to make in a short moment. A little bit more there. As you can see how quick, see how easy that is. You can make these at home. The kids love to make this sort of gear, and they taste an absolute treat. There we go. So they're all laid out there now. Looking good. We've got a bit more mixture there, so we can make quite a few more of those there. So as you can see, we've laid all those out, and we're just going to smooth those down a bit. They smooth out a bit once they hit the oven, which is all good. Now we're going to take those and we're going to slam those into the oven. Preheated oven, 180 degrees, only for 10 minutes. Don't need too long for those. Now the second half is the filling. Now again, super quick, super easy to do. We've only got a couple of ingredients. We're going to take a saucepan, good old-fashioned saucepan. We're going to take half a cup of crushed chocolate, and you can use chocolate buds and all different things. We're going to use good old dark chocolate. Again, 80, 85, 90% cacao is the best way to go. Dark chocolate, beautiful taste, beautiful rich flavour. Going to pop that in there. We've got our almond butter, so we've got a quarter of a cup of almond butter. We're going to pop that in there as well, all measured out, ready to go. And half a teaspoon of our vanilla extract. Whoop, a little bit too much there. Now we're going to pop this on the hot plate now, just to melt all that down and just give it a good stir. And that's going to form the middle or the filling for our chocolate cups. So let's get that started. Now, to save a little bit of time, we've already made these just last night, and look at those. They're an absolute treat. You can see the cup there, the chocolate filling, all done, all absolutely beautiful. They smell fantastic. So you guys can make these. This is not hard. This is really, really good, really healthy food. And as I always say, replacing those good old-fashioned recipes with things that we can make at home, good ingredients, and help you lose weight, help you feel great, and manage your diabetes and all that sort of stuff that we struggle with on a day-to-day basis. A lot of people ask me, so what is it that I actually do? Well, I coach lifestyle. I help people to rethink about the food they eat, to rethink the exercise and rethink the lifestyle, and to help you get the most out of who you are and what you do and lose that weight. And so lifestyle isn't a struggle anymore, and you can feel well and you can feel great every single day. Well, thanks very much for joining me here today. It's great to have you along for another great segment of Roddos Rules. If you want to find out any more of our recipes, jump on my website, sportsadventure.com.au. We've got a swag of things there. We've got snacks, we've got food, we've got dessert, we've got meals, lunchtime treats, you name it. We've got it there. Heaps of recipes, videos to watch, lots of good gear. I'll be online afterwards. If you've got any questions, pop me a message, give me a call, send me an email, and I'm happy to have a chat. Thanks for joining in. Catch you next week.